Ever wonder that if you're not good at maths, then how will you learn programming skills? This is a remark we often hear. But do we really need to be good at maths to become software developers? Welcome back to Smart Interviews. Today, we are diving deep into the debate about whether advanced mathematics is necessary for programmers. The short answer? No, you don't. But let's break it down. The truth about math and programming. You don't need to be a maths genius to become a good software developer. The most important skills aren't solving complex equations. It's being able to think abstractly, solve problems, and be resourceful. While it's true that most tech companies ask algorithmic style questions that require you to know time and space complexity, this only involves basic math, no calculus or anything like that. So, if you're comfortable with basic math, you're already set to learn programming. Want to become an engineer with basic knowledge of maths? Let's make it easy for you. Be sure to watch the full video to understand how you can become a good software developer without needing extensive math skills. Choose a beginner-friendly programming language. If you're just starting out, some programming languages are easier to learn than others, especially if you're not strong in math. Languages like Python, Ruby, and JavaScript are great because they have simple syntax, clear documentation, and tons of libraries that can help you avoid complex math. These languages can be used for things like web apps, data analysis, and even games. Focus on logic, not just math. Programming is more about logic than math. You need to understand how to break the problem into steps, use variables, function, loops, and data structures, and most importantly, how to test and debug your code. These skills are more important than memorizing math formulas. You can improve them by doing online tutorials, exercises, and projects based on your interest and goals. Want to master data structures and algorithms in just 3 months? We have added the Smart Coder course link in the description. Plus, enjoy 15% discount for those watching the video. Use online tools. There are plenty of online tools and resources that make learning programming easier without relying on math skills. For example, you can use online editor or IDEs to highlight syntax errors, autocomplete code, and run your code in the browser. You can also use online calculators, converters, and generators that can help you with common math tasks and operations. You can also use online courses, platforms, and even games to make you learn programming in a fun and interactive way. Watch this video about a game that teaches you programming in a fun and interactive way. Always review and improve your code. Learning programming is not just a one-time thing, but a continuous process of review and improvement. You need to constantly check your code for errors, bugs, and inefficiencies and look for ways to make it better. You can use online tools and services to help you analyze, format, and optimize your code. You can also use online platforms and sites that help you compare, review, and share your code with others so they can provide you with valuable feedback. Don't give up. Learning programming can be challenging, but also rewarding and enjoyable. You don't need to be a strong math student to learn programming skills, but you need to have a positive attitude, curious mind, and willingness to learn. Don't let math stop you or scare you from pursuing your programming dreams. You can always learn the math you need along the way or find alternative solutions for you. Here at Smart Interviews, we prepare you for a career in tech by teaching you the skills you need to succeed. Our courses are designed by industry experts to meet the demands of employers. And we focus on the most in-demand skills for every entry-level tech jobs. So, now that you know that you don't need to love math to work in tech, are you ready to start your coding journey? Check out our Smart Interviews Smart Coder course or read testimonials from our alumni who were once in your shoes. Link is in the description. See you in the next video.